Good morning. I am Shalini Pathak, a communications trainer here at YS. So today I am going to give you an example of how to give your presentation for Ticket to Incredible India. So firstly, let me share some very important points with you which you should keep in mind when you are giving your presentation. So firstly, the time duration of your presentation should be around 5 to 7 minutes. Try not to exceed your time limit. Then, a very important point which you need to remember is that if you have visited that state, okay, for example, Telangana. So, if I have been to Telangana already and now I am giving the presentation, so it should be in past tense, okay? But if I have not visited that state and I am planning to visit, then you will present in future tense. Understood? Now, try not to write a lot of material in your slides. Just try to explain it. Fine. Now, I know all my students are very confident. So, present it very confidently. Keep an eye contact and smile during the presentation. So, now, let me show you how we can give this presentation, but you can make changes accordingly. So, today I am going to take you through a less explored state but an amazing state full of culture and diversity, Telangana. So, it is the southern part of our country, and so how will I go to Telangana? From Barnala, I will take a train to Delhi, and then from Delhi, I will take a flight to Hyderabad. Now, firstly, let me tell you something about Telangana. So, Telangana was separated from Andhra Pradesh in 2014. It is one of the newest states, and it is the 28th state, so the youngest state of our country. Now, I am sure you all are aware of Hyderabad. So, the capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Now, so when we go to Telangana, the most spoken language there is Telugu. But don't worry, people also speak in English. So, I am sure you will be able to converse. And now, one of the most important things which I think of when I go to visit a state is food. So, what I am going to try there is Sada Pindi first. It is very healthy and it is made up of rice and flour. Usually, people have it in breakfast over there. And there are many other dishes which I am going to try. So, are you also going to try? You can try Saikanalu, Patlagaya Pulusu, and many other dishes. Telugu, our South India is full of taste and flavors of different kinds. Now, the dress which people usually wear in Telangana, women usually adore beautiful silk saris and males are in dhoti kurtas. Now, remember, the weather is a little humid there. So, I am planning to carry light cotton clothing there, and I'm also planning to explore all these traditional dresses and get some silk saris for my parents. And when I'm going to go there, obviously, I will visit the markets. So, I am planning to get some beautiful art and craft. The very famous crafts there are Bidri crafts and Shadal crafts. They are made up of very unique traditional metals. So, it's a very good thing which you can bring back home for your family, for your friends. Now, so of course, when I'm going to Telangana, I'm going to explore. So, there are some places to visit which I am going to tell you. Now, I think we all know about Hyderabad, very famous for its culture and ancient heritage. So, I'm going to visit some places, for example, Falaknuma palaces. So, if you are fond of history, These are amazing places to learn and visit, and they are beautiful. For example, Golconda Fort, it is related to our history. So I am planning to visit all these forts, Charminar, Taramati Baradi, and let me tell you some more interesting places. Kunteya Waterfalls, do you know? It is the largest waterfall in the state and it is about 50 meters. So I am planning to go there and click a lot of pictures and enjoy. And a beautiful valley known as Araku Valley. So you can go there and I am sure you will be mesmerized by the beauty of this valley. Now let me tell you a little about the economy of Telangana. So the economy of Telangana is mostly dependent on agriculture, the rice farming. So people were mostly dependent on rice farming, but now they have also started farming for other crops like cotton and maize. Now let me tell you some amazing facts about Telangana. So there is a beautiful lake present which is heart shaped. So I am going to go there and enjoy the beauty of the lake. Now I am sure you are aware of Sania Mirza. She is the brand ambassador of Telangana, our very famous tennis player. And there are many more famous personalities associated with our beautiful state. For example, Shabana Azmi, Dia Mirza. So, thank you so much. So, this is just a sample of how you will be giving your presentation, but you can make the changes accordingly. And just remember one more point, that when you're giving the presentation, so try to make a story, give it in the form of a storyline. Thank you so much.